Hi guys, this is Anand from FINLIFE and today we'll be talking about HEG Limited. So this is one company which was started by the LNG Bhilwara group, started in 1960. So the group has expanded pretty big and one of the companies of the group is HEG Limited. So the group has approximately 6 listed companies, so out of which one is HEG Limited. So particularly talking about HEG is into the business of graphite and graphite electrodes. Other divisions of the company are in power division, carbon specialty, and the company has been there, HEG Limited has been there for over 30 years. Major clients of HEG Limited are Arsenal Mittal, CLSA Group and Emirates Steel, plus there are many others. So if you talk about the company, the market cap of the company is approximately 9,543 crores. The assets in the company stand at 2,734 crores. The electrode business has been growing pretty fast, and there are other companies also which are growing at a good rate. So electrodes at the current point of time, it's a hot topic. So talking about the debt of the company, there is approximately 125 crores of debt in the company, which is pretty meager as compared to the assets of the company. Book value of the company stands at 447 rupees. 477 rupees. So if you are selling out any share of if the company is getting liquidated, you will at least get 477 rupees per share. Talking about the sales growth, in 2014 the sales of the company were at 1440 crores, which increased to around 2748 crores in 2018. The sales growth have been massive, and if we talk about the profits of the company, 81 crores worth of profit in 2014, which has increased to 1999 in 2018. So the growth rate is coming out to be massive in the profit growth. Year on year growth is coming out to be approximately 90%. If you check out on the profit earning per share, the earning per share of the company has increased from 19.18 to 275.14. The company has been giving some losses in 2017 also, but overall the company in 2018 gave a massive profit of around 1100 crores. That was around 40% of its whole sales. But this profit is not only allocated to the operating profits, it does include some extraordinary items also. So that is the reason why we are not considering this kind of growth in the profitability. Rather, we'll take a conservative approach of only 20% growth in the profits. So expecting a 20% growth in the earning per share, we expect that the stock will grow up to approximately 684. The earning per share of the stock will grow up to 684. So the stock price has been, the PE band in which the stock trades usually trades between 12.63 and 144.86, but you can see on the screen that we won't consider 144.86 because the earning per share of the company fell down massively and the price was still high, so that is giving us false image. So we will not consider that rather we'll consider 12.63 and 23.80 as the lowest and the highest PE bands. So in order to calculate the future price of the stock, we'll just multiply 12.63, the lowest P, by 684.64 to get the lowest price. That is coming out to be 8,646 rupees, and on the upper side the stock can trade up to 16,294. So that is the range which is coming out right now. The price of the stock currently is at 2,393. So we can expect a return of approximately 29% on the lower side and 47% on the higher side on the basis of this calculation. If we check out the return on net worth of the stock, the return on net worth of the stock has been massive, and in 2018 it has increased a lot, mainly because of extraordinary items and the wind flow gains that the company got. In 2000, if you talk about the ROCE, the return on capital employed, it has also been massive. You can check it out on the screens. Operating profits, operating cash flows in the company. If we talk about the cash flows, cash flows in the company have been at 585.98. Investing activities have been a negative of 9.23, and financing activities have been a negative of minus 577.38. Mutual funds and institutional holdings is at approximately 20%. So the industry is definitely betting on the stock. No issues or no doubts about that. Dividend yield has also been high. The company is giving a dividend of approximately 3%, which is pretty decent for the stocks. So that's about it, what I wanted to explain about HEG. हाय गाइस, थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग द वीडियो। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई तो प्लीज क्लिक ऑन द सब्सक्राइब बटन एंड द बेल आइकन, क्योंकि आप बेल आइकन पे जब क्लिक करेंगे तो आपको रेगुलरली नोटिफिकेशन मिलेगी हमारी वीडियोस की। प्लस इसी के साथ ही कोई भी कमेंट्स है आपके पास तो आप कमेंट्स नीचे लिख सकते हैं। प्लस कोई भी सजेशंस हैं और वीडियोस हैं जो आप चाहते हैं कि हम बनाएं तो प्लीज़ उनको कमेंट्स में मेंशन करिए, क्योंकि हमको बहुत मज़ा आता है वो वीडियोस बनाने में। प्लस हमको भी बहुत सारी नई कंपनियां पता चलती हैं। ये जो वीडियोस हम बना रहे हैं ये पर्टिकुलरली इसलिए नहीं बना रहे जिससे कि हमको यूट्यूब कंटेंट बनना है। हम लोग का कंटेंट जो भी आप देखेंगे बहुत क्रिस्प रहता है और क्लीन रहता है और फ्यूचर तक आप देख सकते हैं कि आपको हेल्प करेगा वो एनालिसिस में। प्लस डिस्क्रिप्शन देखना ना भूलें, डिस्क्रिप्शन अगर आप चेकआउट करेंगे आपको बहुत इंसाइट मिलेगी और बहुत डिटेल्स मिलेंगी उसमें। इसी के साथ ही हम रेगुलरली 5 वीडियो लेके आते रहते हैं मंडे टू फ्राइडे। हर दिन हमारी एक वीडियो आती है जिससे कि आपको नया कंटेंट और नया डिटेल्स मिलते रहे। सो थैंक यू गाइज, दैट्स अबाउट इट। साइनिंग ऑफ, सिद्धांत गोयल फ्रॉम FINLIFE। कीप लाइकिंग एंड शेयरिंग।